Fear of failure is good. Fear of failure will keep you up at night, planning and rehearsing and going over contingencies. Fear of failure will keep you training hard.
What's up, RicoCap family and traders? I want to give you all an update of kind of how our day went today, Tuesday, and what trades we took and things like that. So at first, Monday was a pretty choppy, rangy day. Tuesday we came out kind of the same ordeal as far as like SPY and Q, kind of in the same range now. We finally picked up after some news came out about 30 minutes after market open, and then a couple other things as well. Some news came out that didn't really affect the market too much, but finally after that news we got to see some higher volume, some better price action. And so one of our first trades we took was Google. Now I saw Google was pretty weak after yesterday in this kind of bearish symmetrical triangle, bear flag maybe, coming over a gap right here that we still had from previous day, gap up last week. So I have it highlighted in orange. So not only are we in this bear flag, we are over this gap, and so we had liquidity down here, knowing we should be able to come down here and tag it. And so that's exactly what we did. And I told the team, I'm looking for Google puts, 160 puts. We should come down to 161 area, where it ended up hitting a low of 160.69. So those puts went in the money and then reversed, which I knew would reverse. So I told the team, trim on the way down, get out of there. So first round, we went with Google puts 160. I alerted it at 71 bucks. Got it about right here as the green line. Just set this green line as the go to short. And that's if when you're in this kind of flag here, you want to short under kind of, you see the median kind of range going. Right one under there, we opened up above it, but we're already down here. The market started getting weak. I told myself, okay, I like it. Let's go for it. So we ended up taking it for 71 bucks. Immediately worked on that 15-minute candle and then knifed into the gap right there. So they ran from, let's see, 71 bucks all the way to 120 bucks. We were trimming 90 range all out around there. And it was a good first play kind of thing, first win on the board. And we're looking, as that was happening, we saw QQ was pulling down and lost our 482.46 level. Now, I knew we would come down to 481, but one thing I did like here is SPY was also losing our 568 level. And I was really liking that more as far as, the contracts as well. So I really did like that. Let's see. So we ended up slamming, I believe we slammed the 567 put right about here. As we kind of knifed down, I took the immediate break right here. So and it went fast. So we started kind of tapping it here, and I told the team, all right, we should lose this and we should trim into the move. So 567 tomorrow dates, slammed them for about $100, 109. Got filled, and then that immediate move all the way down to 567. These went in the money slightly as the contracts ran to 145 plus. So a good 50 bucks on the contract each, and we're in and out kind of thing. I love that. And then I gave a free play out here for QQQ as we ended up losing 482.46 right here on this supply. I ended up giving a free play on the RicoCapital main Twitter. 481 lotto right here. I knew we would come test this. So when we lost this, I knew we would come test this as our target. So alerted the 481 lotto, 95 bucks. And as you can see, jumped in that 15-minute candle, came all the way down to 480.17, if you can kind of see it down there, 480.17. Beautiful. And of course, those puts ran to 160 plus, 166 plus. So over $60 a contract on just that little move right there for free with the team and, main Twitter. So giving out free plays. We saw that we did defend 481, came right up back up to our supply, then now turned demand as we rode up to our 486 supply here, and we're having trouble there. If you don't know what these are the RicoCap zones. These tell you where buyers are at and they tell you where sellers are at. So you're always on the right side of the trade. That's how I knew to short down here once we lost this level. And this is how you would know to short up here for rejection, and then calls out of this tells you exactly what you need to know where the buyers are at. So fairly pretty easy. Finally, we're seeing some better price action. It's been pretty much range this past week. Tougher, but we're still trying to grind higher on the markets. Individual names are kind of a little lagging behind, but just wanted to give you all an update on kind of how we did QQQ. Beautiful move there. SPY as well. Quick snipe right there, and then banger trade on QQQ as we lost 42, 46, all the way down to 41. Been eyeing that all week. Yesterday tried it, and then today worked out. So cool. Wanted to give you all an update on today, and follow for more. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next recap.